creating and using saved templates in the Custom Modification tool. I've loaded John Doe, our standard model for demonstration. Go to the Custom Modification tool, pick the regular options, create a modification. I'll just do a sample PTB bar, and I will shrink it. And if I'm happy with that modification, I'd come into this area right here, the template options, and click Save. And here I'd give it a name, and then I would save it. And once it's saved, now this modification, rather than having to redo it each time, I can just load and save it. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to close this now. And now I have the model just as I would have when I loaded it. Go into the Custom Modification tool. Why don't I put on the cross-section views, and I'll put on the delta view as well so we can see it happening. Okay, that's very nice. Okay, and now I've saved these. These are pre-saved template modifications. I just click on them, and as I do it, it does the modification, and you can see red is growing, purple is undercutting, and you can see the modification as it happens. And in that amount of time, I've completed the full modification of the BK. I've created the PTB bar, tibial tubercle relief, anterior distal relief, interosseous compression, medial femoral compression, the head of fib relief, and then finally a posterior shelf. And that completes the modification. At this point, the model is completely modified and ready for production.